What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Joe Culpepper Outdoors. I'm Joe Culpepper, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about hunting rifles and not really delve real far into it. I want this one to be kind of short and sweet. So, last week was Thanksgiving. Happy late Thanksgiving to everyone. And I was able to go on a deer hunt with my uncle and harvest a doe with a rifle. And it's been a little while. It's been a couple years since I've really been able to get out in the woods and have a successful hunt. But just the enjoyment of the rifle hunt really kind of brought me back a little bit to the rifle hunting. And I still really enjoy bow hunting. I really enjoy archery. Actually, the next afternoon, I was in a blind with my V331. And so I'm not forsaking the bows, but I want to ask you guys if maybe you want to see some rifle stuff on this channel. Do you want me to talk a little bit about maybe some different rifles and different cartridges? Maybe do some little bit of testing or something with some rifles I already have, whether that be accuracy testing with a 22 or whatever it is. I would really like to kind of incorporate firearms into my channel a little bit more now. Not because I'm getting out of the bow stuff. I really love bow hunting and archery in general, but I think the way that firearms in general have been attacked over the past few years by certain political figures, and a lot of the lies and the nonsense that's being spread about them, that's all, of course, it's all false, and it's all really, really annoying to see people that don't know what they're talking about try to have a stance on something they don't understand. So I want to incorporate some type of firearms into this channel a little bit, and maybe, if nothing else, safety of firearms, because that is really, really important. And also go over some differences in calibers and bullets and bullet compositions and everything. Of course, as with the archery stuff, if you really want the deep dive into archery, you need to go to channels like the Podium Archer YouTube channel with Josh Jones. You can go to Tim Connor's YouTube channel, or Elk Shape, Chris B. Any of those guys are going to be really good to get your information from. You can also check out some of Lancaster's videos. And for rifles, of course, there are a lot of other channels that you can go to get your information. Ron Spalmer is 100% my favorite. He kind of reminds me of my grandpa, who passed away almost 10 years ago. So that's probably why I really enjoy his channel. But he's really knowledgeable. He's a good one to look at. Backfire is pretty good if you can get kind of past the way he explains things. He's kind of like Chris B in that he comes off as very know-it-all ish, but he gives a lot of good information too. So there's a bunch of other channels you can go to and get really good, accurate information on things. But I want to know if you guys would be interested or open to me incorporating some firearm stuff in here. Maybe even like just going and shooting skeet every once in a while. I'm not real good at it, but I enjoy it. So maybe just a little bit more getting into my personal, or not necessarily my personal life, but more of a day-to-day interaction outside of archery. So if that's something you're interested in, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to keep this channel 100% on the bows, that's fine too. Let me know what you think, and I'll make a decision and move on from there. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this one. Again, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and Christmas is coming up. Hope you all have a great Christmas season. And yeah, with all that being said, stay safe, stay in the outdoors. God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.